Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best woodworker's apron is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of gear for anyone who spends serious time in the workshop, offering a crucial layer of protection against sawdust, splinters, and accidental tool slips, ensuring your clothes and skin stay safe while you focus on bringing your creative visions to life with precision and confidence. Number 5. ecoZen 16 ounces waxed canvas work apron. Introducing our premium 16 ounces waxed canvas work apron, designed for ultimate durability and protection. It's built to withstand tough jobs while keeping you comfortable. This apron offers full coverage, extending to your knees to protect your clothing from dirt, dust, and spills. It's the ideal solution for any demanding work environment. Experience revolutionary comfort with our flexible yet tough material. Unlike stiff alternatives, it allows for easy movement without trapping dust or absorbing oils. Say goodbye to neck and back pain. Our unique harness design distributes weight evenly across your shoulders for maximum comfort during long workdays. Keep your tools and essentials close at hand with strategically placed, deep pockets. They are designed to keep dust out and securely hold everything you need, including your phone. Achieve a perfect fit with our unique harness design and quick-release buckle. It's fully adjustable to accommodate any body type and stays securely in place without slipping. What we like. This apron offers exceptional comfort with its flexible material, preventing stiffness and discomfort. Its unique shoulder strap design distributes weight evenly, eliminating neck and back pain. If you prioritize comfort and protection during long work sessions, this is the apron for you. What people say. The stitch work and rivets all seem sturdy and I can't see any of it failing. The tape measure clip is very accessible and can be holstered sight unseen. It also sits low enough that it won't fall out when bending over. The straps offered enough adjustability to get as close to a proper fit as I desired, which is high on the chest. Number 4. QeeLink Leather Welding Work Apron. Introducing the QeeLink Leather Welding Work Apron, designed for ultimate protection. Its robust construction ensures durability in demanding work environments. Keep your essential tools within easy reach with 6 conveniently placed pockets. This apron offers practical storage solutions for your welding needs. Work with confidence thanks to its superior heat and flame-resistant properties. It provides a reliable barrier against sparks and high temperatures. The generous 24 by 36-inch size offers extensive coverage. This ensures maximum protection for your clothing and body. Designed for a perfect fit, it's adjustable from M to XXXL. This ensures comfort and flexibility for every user. Crafted from high-quality leather, this apron is built to withstand the toughest jobs. Invest in protection that lasts. What we like. Engineered for demanding environments, this apron provides superior heat and flame resistance. With ample tool pockets and a generous size, it ensures you have everything you need within reach and are well protected. If you work with welding or in high-heat situations, this is your go-to choice. What people say. The straps are adjustable so they have a wide range of sizes. They attach with a clip so they're really easy to clip on and take off. It has large pockets that are great for holding my slag hammer and clamps. The leather is high quality and keeps the heat off very well. There's also a few layers of fabric behind the leather for extra padding which feel quite nice. Number 3. Men's Waxed Canvas Woodworking Apron. Crafted from heavy-duty 20 ounces waxed canvas with double stitching, this apron is built to last. It offers exceptional durability and comfort, ensuring reliable protection during your work. Stay organized with 9 strategically placed pockets of various sizes. Keep your tools, pens, and phone easily accessible, including a convenient hammer loop. A handy magnetic patch keeps small metal items like nails and screws within reach. Flaps over the pockets prevent sawdust from entering, keeping your tools clean. Experience superior comfort with removable padded shoulder straps that distribute weight evenly, preventing neck strain. The adjustable X-back design and snap-fit waistband ensure a perfect, personalized fit for full coverage. Presented in a gift box, this apron makes an ideal present for woodworkers, carpenters, gardeners, and anyone who loves to create. It's a thoughtful gift for men and fathers. What we like. This apron is designed for ultimate practicality with a convenient magnetic patch for small items and flapped pockets to keep sawdust out. It also comes in exquisite packaging, making it an ideal gift. If you're a woodworker who values organization and a thoughtful present, this apron is perfect. What people say. The quality is superb. It's exactly what I wanted for grafting fruit trees and for woodworking projects. It's very comfortable to wear due to the padded shoulders. The pockets hold everything I need without fear of piercing me or damaging the fabric. To top it off, it has a super strong magnetic strip to hold nails, screws etc., but it's so strong that it can actually hold my pruners. The apron is much heavier waxed cotton at 20 ounces than either of those other two and has many more pockets and features for the same price. It has one huge, wide, deep kangaroo pocket in front that both hands fit into, two large tool pockets with flaps, to keep sawdust out, a cell phone pocket with Velcro strap, two pencil pockets, a metal loop that could hold a hammer, two small leather loops, for tape measure, safety glasses, etc. A loop to hang it up by, and a large magnet in the front center to hold nails, small tools, etc. The adjustable straps include padded shoulder pads, a leather strap connector for the crisscross straps and plastic snap fit connectors. It seems well made, with many thoughtful features. I like to have the bib high, to help protect from wood chips hitting me from while wood turning. The magnets in the front, designed to hold nails or small metal tools, stick to my table saw when I lean over. Number 2. FIGHTECH Heavy Duty Woodworking Apron. Introducing the FIGHTECH Heavy Duty Woodworking Apron, designed for the serious craftsman. Its robust construction ensures durability for any project. Crafted from heavy-duty materials, this apron is built to withstand the toughest jobs. Protect yourself while keeping your tools close at hand. Featuring multiple tool pockets, it offers convenient storage for all your essential gear. Stay organized and focused on your work. Ideal for woodworkers, blacksmiths, and carpenters, this apron provides the protection and functionality you need. It's designed for comfort and performance. Find the perfect fit with sizes ranging from M to XXL. Experience superior protection and convenience for your craft. What we like. Built for the toughest jobs, this apron boasts heavy-duty construction for maximum durability. It features a variety of tool pockets to keep your essentials organized and is available in a wide size range for a great fit. If you need a robust and reliable apron for demanding trades, this is an excellent option. What people say. Heavy duty without excess stiffness or weight. Easy to adjust fit and comfortable wear. It keeps me much cleaner in my wood shop, and has a side benefit of keeping me nicely warm in my coldish basement shop. The stitching seems quite sturdy, pockets are very nice, and it sits quite nice over my shoulders, and allows movement well. This apron is a quality leather product. I easily adjusted it for fit in a couple of minutes. Now, it goes on and comes off quickly with the clasp. There are more pockets than I know what to do with. It covers well and is saving my clothes from damage, which is a real plus. Number 1. UUP Men's Heavy Duty Waxed Canvas Woodworking Apron. Introducing the UUP Men's Heavy Duty Waxed Canvas Woodworking Apron. Built for durability and designed for the dedicated craftsman, it's ready for any project. Crafted from tough 20 ounces waxed canvas, this apron is water-resistant, oil-proof, and dirt-proof. With reinforced stitching, brass grommets, and rivets, it offers superior protection and flexibility for all your tasks. Keep everything you need within reach with 9 intelligently designed tool pockets. From your phone to hammers and wrenches, all your essential tools have a dedicated spot. Never lose a screw or nail again. The convenient magnetic pocket securely holds small metal items, making them easy to grab and preventing drops when you bend over. Experience unparalleled comfort with adjustable cross straps featuring thick shoulder pads. It distributes weight evenly, preventing strain and ensuring a perfect, slip-free fit for sizes S to 3XL. This apron makes an ideal gift for any man who loves woodworking, blacksmithing, gardening, or any hands-on craft. Give the gift of protection and convenience. What we like. This apron offers excellent protection against water, oil, and dirt, keeping you clean and dry. The convenient magnetic pocket and breathable shoulder pads enhance both functionality and comfort. If you're looking for an apron that provides superior protection and comfort for various workshop tasks, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. I like the sturdy build and pocket layout, tape measure clip and hammer loops. Pockets have flaps to keep sawdust out and items in. Magnetic strip may come in handy at some point as well. The padded strap system with the plastic quick release buckle is easy to adjust and works well. It's comfortable both standing and sitting. The many pockets provide ample, convenient storage. And it really helps to keep the dust off my clothes. Very good size as far as covering your body from dust and debris from the saws and routers. All the pockets are perfect. Love the one for the phone. It straps it down so when you bend over it doesn't fall out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.